right, try to follow me here. I'm going to try to explain this acceptance rate thing to you. If you don't get it, if you can bear it, at the end it should make sense. The whole time you might be going, yeah, I get it, but at the end is when it kind of all ties in together. So if you can bear it, I don't know if you can, but so let's just say we'll do a fake scenario. You're a brand new employee. You got week 1 that you just started, and you work 2 days this week, and you get an acceptance rate of 100 and 90. Okay? So the average for the week would be 95, right? So we'll just put 95 in black right here. Now you won't see that most weeks. This week's different, it's just 1 week, but that's what the week average is out as. But the average you'll see in the app, the yellow here is what you'll see in the app every week. So crunches the numbers, and then your average for the whole thing is obviously 95 because you only have 1 week, right? So week two, you go out 3 times, and you get an 80, a 60, and a 55. Now the average for those 3 numbers is actually 65. Let's put it put it over here, I guess. 65. Now you won't see that in the app. You'll just see the average of the 2 weeks. That's the average for just that week. But the average for the 2 weeks, if you average 65 plus 95, divide by 2, and that actually is going to be 80. So this is what you would see in the app, these numbers. So week 2, and that's what you see, right? So week 3, and you go out 4 times. You're not having a very good week here. You get 20 and 35, 20, 35, and 20 again, and then 55. Now the average for those 4 numbers is actually 33. But you won't see that in the app. What you're going to see is the average of the 3 weeks. And the average of the 3 weeks is 64. And that makes sense because your average was 80. You got a really low number, so it's lower, 64. It makes sense, you know? So week 4, you go out 6 times. You're having a good week. So you got 95 plus 85 plus 100. 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus and then 80. And then that actually averages out to 93, which is higher than 64, which you're seeing in the app. You have a really good week, right? You would think it would go up. And it does. So it actually comes out to be 71, which is what you see in the app, 71. Okay, now remember, Grubhub only counts the previous 4 weeks. So on week 5, you only got 2 times you were sick. You got 75 and an 89. And that actually averages out to a 66 for those 2 numbers right there. But what you see in the app is the average of the past 4 weeks. So you see not this anymore. That's gone. That is now gone. This whole week is gone, actually. What you see is this number plus this number plus this number plus this number. You take them and you divide by 4. What you get... I fucked up, actually. This right here should be at 82. That should be an 82. And so 82 is higher than 71. So you think it would go up. 82 is higher than 71. See what I mean? It's like this number right here. You had a 71 coming into this, and you had a good week. You can see that you had it like around an 82 if you average it yourself, right? In the app, it comes out to be a 66. So this 82 is higher than a 71, which is what you were seeing. But then it got lowered. You're like, how the fuck did my percentage, the 66 is lower than, I had a really good week. Why is it lower? It's because the 66 right here was replacing this 95. 6 is a lot lower than 95. So that's why your acceptance rate got lower even though you had a good week on this week right here.